Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Corner. Today, we're looking at 10 professional phrases that help you sound polite and respectful without losing your authority. In the workplace, the right words can make you sound more confident and decisive. Let's upgrade your professional vocabulary. Number 1. Instead of "sorry for the delay," try "I appreciate your patience." This shifts the focus from your mistake to their kindness. It keeps the tone positive and professional while acknowledging the time they've waited. Number 2. Swap "I think maybe" for "I'd like to suggest." This sounds much more confident and proactive. It presents your idea as a valuable contribution rather than an uncertain thought. Number 3. Instead of "I don't understand," use "could you please clarify?" This shows you're engaged and seeking accuracy. It places the emphasis on the communication process rather than a lack of knowledge. Number 4. Instead of "I'll try my best," say "I'm confident we can achieve this." This projects reliability. Confidence builds trust with your colleagues and clients. It shows you're a problem solver. Number 5. Swap "I'm too busy" for "my schedule is currently full." This sounds more organized and professional. It communicates your boundaries without sounding dismissive or overwhelmed. Number 6. Instead of "that won't work," try "let's explore other options." This keeps the conversation constructive. It shows you are open to collaboration and focused on finding the best solution. Number 7. Swap "I'm sorry you didn't like it" for "thank you for the feedback." This sounds much more resilient. It demonstrates a growth mindset and shows you value improvement over defensiveness. Number 8. Instead of "I don't know," use "I'll look into that and get back to you." This is much more proactive. It shows you're willing to take initiative and find the right information. Number 9. Swap "I just want to check" for "to ensure we're aligned." This sounds strategic and thorough. It frames your question as a way to ensure the whole team is moving in the right direction. And number 10. Instead of "talk to you later," try "let's keep each other updated." This establishes an ongoing professional loop. It emphasizes continuous communication and accountability in your working relationships. Using these phrases will help you sound more confident and professional every day. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell for more tips from English Corner. See you next time.